Hello, everyone. Today, I'm going to explain why you absolutely need a legal expert when you're facing a sexual offense investigation, especially somewhere like the Seoul Namdaemun police station. A sexual offense case isn't just about telling the truth. The entire structure of the case can change depending on which questions you answer, how much you say, and how you frame your statements. The record created during the investigation phase is passed directly to the prosecution and then to the court. Many people think, if I'm innocent, I can just clear it up in court later. But that's a dangerous misconception. The initial investigation record is the starting point for the trial. If your initial statement is inconsistent, your entire defense can fall apart. When you're the one being accused, it's hard to even speak, but the investigation will solidify its course based on that initial impression. That's why it's crucial to organize the facts, how you met, what was said, and what happened afterward, all in chronological order, before you even go in for questioning. In my experience with criminal cases, unlike theft or insurance fraud, which are centered on physical evidence, sexual offense cases often hinge on subjective elements like perception and consent. This means every single question carries significant legal weight. Before we even attend an interrogation, we prepare for anticipated questions and we decide which points to concede and which to contest. We don't base our strategy on a success fee, we focus on the fundamental structure of the case itself. We also don't look at the criminal charge in isolation. These cases often connect to other issues like workplace disciplinary action, civil damages, or even immigration problems. Sometimes, the administrative penalties can be even more burdensome than the criminal outcome. That's why, from the very first consultation, we analyze the case across criminal, civil, and administrative tracks to set priorities. We also believe that sometimes the best advice for a client is our decision not to take the case. This comprehensive approach comes from our broad experience. In civil cases, we've always looked at the feasibility of enforcement before even considering a verdict. Whether it's debt collection or damages, it's all about whether recovery is possible. In real estate disputes, we review the contract structure and property rights together. In family law, we design solutions that look beyond the divorce to property division and child rearing. This same structured thinking is what we apply to criminal defense. I started practicing in 2009 and opened my own firm in 2014. My philosophy has always been to explain first, rather than rushing to a conclusion. We prepare every case as if the investigation is happening tomorrow. So, our response to an investigation isn't just about showing up with you. It's about architecting the entire record of the case from the ground up. Ultimately, responding to a sexual offense investigation isn't a game of words. It's about designing the flow of the entire legal process. Law Office Ashin is where we handle criminal, civil, family, real estate, and administrative law with this exact standard. If you need a consultation, please check the description below. Your subscription and likes help us provide more detailed legal advice. Thank you.